In this video, I'll show you how to create a welcome series in Klaviyo. Start by signing into your Klaviyo account. From the left menu, click Flows. Next, click Create Flow. In the Flow library, search for Welcome Series and select the pre-built template, or choose Build Your Own if you want to create the flow from scratch. After that, give your flow a name and choose the list or sign-up form that will trigger the welcome series. Click Create Flow to open the Flow Builder. Now review the email sequence. Click each email step to customize the subject line, sender information, and email content. You can also add time delays between emails or include conditional splits to personalize the customer journey. Next, send yourself a preview email to make sure everything looks correct. When you're satisfied, change each email from draft to live. Finally, confirm that your flow is active. From now on, every new subscriber who joins the selected list will automatically enter your welcome series and receive the emails you've created. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a welcome series in Klaviyo. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.